So this 2013 Cadillac ATS. Seen a bunch of videos doing these light bulb replacements, but I ain't seen one with the HIDs though, which is, I already took it out, but that's it right there. It's got two Phillips screws holding it in. So you just take out the Phillips screws on the sides, pull out the plug, and it's got this cover right here. Now this is the hard part about it. You gotta jack this, you gotta jack it up too. Otherwise you ain't gonna be able to get this cover off. So the cover like this. But you got all these screws though. They T20 Torx bit 27s. So I end up down busting one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of these screws. The top ones are really hard to get to. But you got some screws, push pins, whatever. Take those out. And probably Torx bits. But you see how these screws are set up. These ones right up here. That's supposed to take out the headlight, I believe. Yeah. So you ain't gonna be able to get that one up there. Right there. Yeah, you can. You come in right through this hole up here. And you can get that top Torx bit right there. Matter of fact, I can see it. You can see it right through that right there. If you come in right here, you see my finger. That's that glove right there. But I'm coming in right through this hole up here. That's how you get that top one right there. The rest of them, you can, you know what I'm saying? I just use a ratchet like that to get them off. But that top one, you gotta come through this hole right here at like an angle to get that top one. Like I said, I busted that cover though. But that's it though. You got 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them Torx bits just to get that cover off. Change out that headlight. You're supposed to take the bumper off to do this though, but you can't get it without taking out the bumper.